So I've been sitting here in stillness. The wind's not blowing, just the birds are chirping. Let's listen. There's a hawk. Oh, you're not going to be able to see it. It's in the far distance. Shut up. There's two of them. There's two.
The veil is lifting, the illusion fades. The matrix trembles as truth pervades. From Kali Yuga shadow we arise, guided by stars and ancient skies. Awaken the chosen, the ones who see through the cracks of this false reality. The third eye opens, a radiant spark, a beacon of hope in the cosmic dark. Out of the darkness, into the light. The matrix is crumbling, the future ignites.